how to buy Daydreams token. So this token came under the symbol of dreams. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is the referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the risk account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on DEX Screener. So as you can see, it's created 2 days ago. Now, as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's million investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now open your fund to wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter provider. I will select the Jupiter provider. After that, make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on solve and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue after that, just go back to this page and squeeze the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that go and you will be able to buy this token. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.